Hi friends, welcome you educational platform. Today we know Republic Day GK. Let's go to start. Who takes the salute at the Grand Parade on Republic Day in New Delhi? Correct answer is President, who is popularly known as the father of Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. When did India adopt its constitution? 26th January 1950. Who unfurled the national flag Republic Day ceremony in the state capitals? Governor. The Republic Day parade starts from Rashtrapati Bhavan. The Republic Day parade starts from Rashtrapati Bhavan. How many gun salute are presented to the President of Republic Day? 21 guns salute presented to the President of Republic Day. Which famous movement India Mahatma Gandhi launched in August 1942? Quit India movement. Quit India movement launched in August 1942. Which newspaper was started by Lokmanya Tilak to serve as mouthpiece for the Indians in freedom struggle? Kesari newspaper. Who framed the Constitution of India? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar framed the Constitution of India. The Indian Constitution was prepared in how many days? Correct answer is 2 year, 11 month, 18 days. What is the Paramveer Chakra replace when India become a republic? Correct answer is Victoria Cross. Who was the president of First Republic Day? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which of the following award is presented during the Republic Day parade? Answer is National Bravery Awards. Which of force take part in procession of Republic Day? All of the above: Indian Army, Indian Army Force, Indian Air Force. Who wrote National Anthem of India? Rabindranath Tagore Janagana Mana. The Indian constitutions consist of how many articles and schedules? Answer is 395 articles and 8 schedules. Who said its statement, a flag is not only a symbol of our independence but also the freedom of all people? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru, who is the first Prime Minister of India. Who designed the present national flag of India? Pingali Bhenkiya. Where can a national flag be hoisted? Answer is all of the above. Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, at the House of Common People. What is the size of width to length ratio of Indian flag? Correct answer is 3:2. Thanks for watching my video. Next video to